We start our trip from Mestouch, which is a place in northern areas in Pakistan. It's a beautiful place. We start our trip for trout fishing. It is a off-road, and here it is a beautiful old home here, the old age home. And towards to our way, we reach here in Sorlaspur. We stay here for a while to as we are tired for off-roading, and we start our journey again. It's a beautiful place. Shandur Lake is here and is a very famous place, Shandur Top, which having a polo ground there. So on the way, this place is a Langar, is a very nice place for trout fishing. This is the last place we start our trekking from here. We cannot go on the car, so it's a beautiful trekking place, having mountains, having greeneries, flowers, and stone area as well. And it's a long way, but for the video purpose we cut the way. And there are mountains, there are river, you have to cross the river, mountains, and rocks, and these things is a bit of tiring, but it's a good. And here we reach on the our camp area. Here we have to set our tents. It's a boha chat. It's a Kukush Lake. The name is Kukush Lake as well. So we are here in Kukush Lake. We set our tents, ready our equipment for the fishing. But it's already like 5 p.m. So we have to make something ready for dinner. So we got a sheep here. It's a very good meat. So it's a very cold area here. It is 3622 meter, or 11,883 feet above the sea level. So we need this kind of food to make ourselves warm. Here it is 5 a.m. in the morning, so we have to go for fishing. For the fishing, we get ready already, and we have to find the spots where the fish are. We purposely come here for trout fishing. Hopefully it will be good. So we are finding the spots. Is a very beautiful, nice place. Here I found a spot where two rivers met. I got a fish, and it was first one and very nice one. I enjoy a lot. We got it with a spinner. It's a map spinner on it, so it's a nice size, so we can keep it for our dinner for today. And so again we start our trekking for the next spot. If we found some here, we found some. My friend is there, and luckily he got another one. He also using the spinner map. Cast master also good, maps are good, and I try spoon as well. Here I found another spot, and second cast, let's see. And here I am very lucky. I hit a monster one. This will be a beautiful. This will be a beauty. It's fight a lot. Wow, that's a very nice one. That's a very nice one. It's beautiful one. Beautiful one. It's on map as well. You can see the size, and I'm very happy. I'm very happy to having this one with me. I'm very lucky as well. It's beautiful one. And this was the second one, which I catch on spoon. Here I am where the Kukush Lake start is beautiful, clean, chill water, a beautiful lake. I am blessed that I am here. It's very nice one. So now we have to go back and we have to collect all our catches for the trouts. These are the ones, so we will make ready dinner for tonight. This is our dinner. It's ready now. Thank you for watching, and hopefully we will make some more better good videos in future, inshallah. Thank you for watching.